Alright, what's going on? I wasn't gonna make a video today, but I decided what the hell, why not? So we got to CDI yesterday afternoon. Um, I couldn't wait. I did the right thing. Came home, put it in, cleaned the carb up a little bit. It's pretty skanky. Couldn't see through the jets; they were clogged. Had a good bit of turpentine in it. So I cleaned that out, put everything together. Went to kick it over, and she wasn't having it. I'll put some video in of the other night trying to get it started. So by the sounds of it, the kickstart ratchet is not engaging. Only every once in a while you can get it to kick over. But other than that, generally it just sits there and you can kick and kick and kick, but you're not kicking the motor over. So today we're gonna pull the inner clutch cover off and see what we can find. I already got the oil draining. I'm gonna take the clutch cover off and I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Alright, as you can guys clearly see and hear, the dogs on the kickstart gear are not actually engaging on the backside. So now we have to take this thing off. I'm not sure if you can get this out with it still in the bike, with the clutch still in, but we're gonna give it a shot. It's looking like the clutch is definitely gonna have to come out of there, which sucks. Let me set you guys down and see what I can do. As you guys can see, it came out. It was a little bit of a pain to get it out and to put it back in. You're not going to get it back in unless you take the clutch out, because it's just easier to wrap the spring around and lock it into the hole in there. So, from what I can tell, everything looks alright. They aren't terrible. There's a little bit of slop in there, but I don't think that would cause it. I looked at the parts breakdown, and there's supposed to be a washer that sits in here on top of the plastic piece. It's a thin washer. I don't think that's what's causing it, but I'm gonna go ahead, take the clutch off, put this back in, get everything ready to go, so when that washer does end up showing up, I can just slap everything together. You guys have already seen the clutch go on once, so you don't really need to see it again. Thanks for watching. Just remember, if you guys need any parts, you can contact Duffs Powersports. New, used, they'll take care of you, whatever you need. Again, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we're back soon with a running bike.